Hello everyone, we welcome you all. Hope you all are doing fine. I am Amro Shokat
And I am Zafar Qayyum.
and we are the marketing manager at Drupak. I am so excited to have you all with us and we should probably start now.
Yes, we should. So, we have a guest named Imtiaz Ali. So, hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, sir, we have a couple of questions for you. So, let's start from the first one. So, sir, tell us something about yourself and your technological background.
Well, I have got my degree in 2003. My degree was in computer science. Since then, I joined Nadra as system engineer, worked there for 4 years. Then I resigned Nadra and joined Khyber Medical University as database administrator. So I have been working with Khyber Medical University since 2008. Now recently I have been promoted to a post of Deputy Director IT. And as I joined Khyber Medical University, there was no software installed there, so I started developing their software in Visual Studio.NET and developed a CMS for them, which was implemented in 2011. That was completed in 2011, in fact. So we implemented it in 2011.
Okay, so you have implemented the Drupal in 2011.
No, that was in Visual Studio.NET.
So what make you think that you should transfer from .NET to Drupal?
Well, recently my boss called me and assigned me a task to develop a software for hospital. And as he assigned me the task, after 4 days of that task, he called me again and was asking about the demo. So I was blank that how can I develop hospital management system in such a less time. So I contacted Mr. Azmat, the CEO of Drupak, and he advised me to start Drupal for that, because HMIS is not a small software. You can have lots of features and options in HMIS. Okay. So I tried Drupal, and within no time I was able to give my boss a demo in Drupal.
So, as you said, now you have joined Drupal. So, how have you been founded so far?
Drupal is a fun thing, you know. In Drupal, you think of a feature for your web application or your software, and that will be already developed by some seasoned professional and will be available on the Drupal.org. So you just search it, install it, and use it. And in case of your special needs, or if you need any customization for your organization, you can customize it up to any level.
Okay, so this explains that Drupal is customizable.
Drupal is extremely customizable. Even you can customize the core of Drupal.
Okay,
great.
And this module thing is just touching the surface of Drupal. You can customize each and everything in Drupal. Okay. So this is a very powerful feature, and Drupal is scalable as well.
You have said that there are things in Drupal. So what are the major differences you find in .NET and in Drupal?
The major difference is, the big one is the ease of use.
Okay.
Like if you are going to develop a software in .NET, and that may take a week time. So maybe that application can be developed in Drupal in few hours.
Oh.
So you can directly come from a week to 4 or 5 hours.
So now you've told us about your historical and professional background. So tell us, what sort of applications have you made so far or built?
As I have been using Drupal for the last 6 months, so my first project was that HMIS. I have developed HMIS in Drupal. Then a job portal was developed, and the last one is student portal.
Great. Okay, so you have been working in Drupal for a long time now. So what is your favorite thing so far in Drupal?
Well, now Drupal is my all-time favorite. Okay. And in Drupal there are many things which an IT professional can like for many reasons. And in Drupal you have the entity reference, and with entity reference you can link anything in Drupal with any other thing. So entity reference, and the field API These are very powerful features of Drupal, and yes, for reporting purpose, view is the best feature you can have in Drupal. Now it's in core Drupal. Previously in Drupal 7, you would have installed it as a module, but now it's available in the Drupal core. It's integrated or incorporated in the Drupal core. So that's a very powerful feature of Drupal.
Great. So, sir, being a technical Drupal professional, how will you define this Drupal to the other professionals?
Well, other professionals, if they want to get maximum out of their time, they should start Drupal, because Drupal is really very friendly, and almost everything has been developed in Drupal in the form of modules. So you just search it, explore it, and use it.
Okay, so you are saying the Drupal is customizable, Drupal can do anything.
Yeah, of course.
So will you recommend our youngsters which they are using CMS system, other CMS systems? So will you recommend them to transfer or convert to Drupal?
Of course, Drupal is not a CMS. In fact, it may be called a CMF. It's a kind of framework. So I'll recommend youngsters and even seasoned IT professionals to switch to Drupal, because they will love it. Once you start using Drupal, you will never ever go to any other CMS or any other framework.
So this is not a question, sir, I'm just asking. So we have a Drupal camp coming next month in November, in 16th and 17th of 2019. We have a Drupal camp coming, as Drupak has taken an initiative of bringing all the Drupal community in Pakistan together under a single shelter. So will you join us there, sir?
Can you please tell me the location of
Sir,
that?
the venue is FAST University in Lahore on 16th and 17th of November.
Of course, I'll definitely join you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We are looking forward for you to join us at the event.
Thank you.
And to our viewers, we would recommend that we are having a Drupal camp on 16th and 17th of November 2019, and the venue is FAST University Lahore. We recommend you to join us. It's for your own benefit. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for joining us.
Thank you.